Do you want to learn or further reinforce the knowledge needed to take control of your finances and secure financial success for you and your family? Well, you're in the right place. This course is all about financial literacy, healthy money habits, and personal finance fundamentals that will put you on the path to making sound financial decisions and ultimately result in long-term financial success and security. So who am I and why am I teaching this course? Great question. My name is Paul McAllister and I have over 9 years of experience as a financial services professional with a deep understanding of how the financial industry works and how we should be using it to our advantage to achieve financial success. My love for finance started at a pretty early age and I decided to pursue my undergraduate degree in banking and finance and later completed my MBA with a specialism in finance. Beyond my career experiences and educational background, through my life experiences, I have seen firsthand how damaging a lack of financial education can be on individuals and families. A quick story. My beloved grandmother had her own business and was able to accumulate a significant amount of wealth. She was a provider for a lot of people and helped so many others. However, due to poor financial decisions, most of that wealth and her financial security and independence disappeared in her later years. As a kid, I remember the exact moment when I knew things were different. Anytime I would see my grandmother, she would always give me an allowance for being her adorable grandson. One day, having not received my allowance, I asked her and she told me that she didn't have it, with her eyes filled with disappointment. This is the unfortunate reality of many and can often be linked to a lack of knowledge needed to use money as a tool to sustain and grow wealth over a long period of time, as well as pass it along from generation to generation. Money is not broadly taught as it should, and my mission through this course, Starting Kenny's Concepts and otherwise, is to share financial knowledge to empower as many people as possible to secure their financial future. In this course, we're going to discuss the importance of money and financial literacy, key financial concepts everyone needs to know, budgeting fundamentals, saving and building an emergency fund, investing, debt, credit cards and your credit score, income generation and expense reduction, utilizing financial safety nets, and essential money concepts and their application. So with all of that said, thank you so much for joining and let's jump right in.